You wake up, reach for your phone, scroll for 20 minutes, then wonder why you can't focus for the rest of the day. Sound familiar? Here's what most people don't realize. Your daily habits are literally reshaping your brain right now, every single day. And the good news? You can take back control. Here are 7 habits that will rewire your brain, starting today. The first 30 minutes after waking up are the most powerful time for your brain. When you scroll your phone, the moment you open your eyes, you flood your brain with dopamine and throw it into reactive mode. Your focus will be scattered for the rest of the day before you've even had breakfast. Instead, try this. Drink a glass of water, sit in silence for 5 minutes, and write down 3 things you want to accomplish today. This simple switch activates your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for focus, planning, and decision-making. It takes 2 minutes. It changes everything. Writing isn't just a school assignment. When you write down your thoughts, your brain is forced to process them, organize them, and store them far more effectively than if they just float around in your head. Stressed? Write. Overwhelmed? Write. Can't figure out a problem? Write it out. Neuroscience shows that journaling just 10 minutes a day reduces anxiety, boosts creativity, and sharpens decision-making. Think of it as free therapy. All you need is a pen and a notebook. You don't need to write perfectly. You just need to write honestly. Sleep is not rest time. Sleep is maintenance time for your brain. While you sleep, your brain consolidates memories, flushes out toxins, repairs neurons, and resets your emotional regulation system. People who sleep less than 7 hours consistently show reduced focus, weaker memory, slower reaction time, and worse emotional control. That's not opinion. That's brain science. The fix is simple but not easy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Put your phone across the room at least 1 hour before bed. Keep your sleep and wake time consistent, even on weekends. Your brain will thank you within 3 days. Exercise is not just for your body. It is literally brain food. When you move, walking, running, even a 20-minute workout, your body releases a chemical called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Scientists call it miracle grow for the brain because it actually grows new brain cells. Regular physical movement improves memory, boosts mood, sharpens focus, and reduces the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Harvard Medical School research confirms that even a 20-minute walk is enough to show measurable brain benefits. You don't need a gym. Just move. Every single day. Reading is one of the most powerful habits you can build, but only if you do it right. Most people read passively. Their eyes move across words, but their brain isn't fully engaged. That's almost the same as not reading at all. Active reading is different. You ask yourself questions. You pause to think. You connect what you read to your own life. You take notes. This kind of reading builds new neural pathways, expands vocabulary, grows empathy, and dramatically improves concentration. Even 15 to 20 minutes of deliberate daily reading is enough to start reshaping your brain. Not scrolling, not watching, reading, with intention. Every time you do something difficult, learn a new skill, solve a hard problem, push through discomfort, your brain forms new neural connections. This is called neuroplasticity, and it is the brain's superpower. But here's the catch. If you always take the easy route, your brain stops growing. Comfort is the enemy of development. Discomfort is the signal that something valuable is happening. This doesn't mean you have to suffer. It means pick one small challenge each day. Learn 5 new words, solve a puzzle, have a conversation in a language you're learning. Read 1 page of a difficult book. Small, hard things, done daily, compound into an extraordinary mind. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical, and it's supposed to motivate you. But modern life has turned it into a problem. Social media, short videos, junk food, and notification sounds are all designed to trigger dopamine hits constantly and cheaply. When your brain gets too much quick dopamine, real work starts to feel boring and painful by comparison. Reading a book feels hard. Focusing feels impossible. Deep thinking feels like torture. A dopamine detox doesn't mean shutting everything off. It simply means take 1 to 2 hours every day away from quick reward activities. Let yourself be bored. Your brain will recalibrate, and suddenly deep, meaningful work will feel rewarding again. So those are the 7 daily habits that are reshaping your brain. Right now, every single day. You don't have to adopt all 7 tomorrow. Pick one. Start there, do it for a week, then add another. Small steps, done consistently, build an extraordinary mind over time. Your brain is not fixed. It is flexible, it is powerful, and it responds to how you treat it. If this video gave you even one useful idea, do me a favor. Share it with someone who needs it. And if you want more content like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.